Hey everyone, today we're going to go over how you post a roof replacement job on ResiBid. So you're going to start off, same as the other ones. Click down on this menu here, I'll go to roof replacement. You'll be prompted to either create an account and sign up or log in if you already have an account. I have an account, so we'll click log in. It's going to again take you back to this page, what kind of service you're looking for, roofing, you'll enter in your address, which will auto-populate once you get enough info in there, and then also add your zip code. What type of property do you have? We have a home. What do you need? Roof replacement. And then for the type of roof material, you can pick from asphalt shingles, metal, or flat roof, or other. The majority of homes are going to be asphalt shingles, so we'll go with that. And then here, what type of asphalt shingles would you like? We went ahead and gave you two of the major brands, along with a good, better, best option for each of them. There's also another option for other. If for some reason you want a different variety of shingle within those brands or completely different brand and product, then you can enter that in there. These links also hyperlink to take you to the websites, so that way you can see the different shingles yourself and different color options. So once you select which one you're interested in getting a quote for, you'll select that. We'll do Timberline UHDZ. You'll click next. You'll add in a job title and then click submit for bidding. And then from here, again, we'll go to an internal review where we will utilize your address given and we will pull a report that will give us that using satellite imagery that'll measure your roof and square footage. And we'll add that to the bid package before we approve it and send it to the marketplace. Once that happens, you'll get an alert that your bid is now live and you'll sit back and watch as local pros start bidding your job and pick the winner from there. Thank you. We'll see you on the next one.